Alright, quick disclaimer about the upcoming video. The technique in this is designed mainly for beginners or people who are struggling with other types of meditation. This is a very basic technique and can help you ease into the spiritual state of mind in a very simple manner. Also, I just want to say, please excuse the poor camera quality. I'm going to be upgrading my camera very soon, so very excited about that. Not much more to say. Enjoy the video and peace. Hello and welcome to another Spirit Hacks video. Today I'm going to teach you a very basic meditation exercise and practice that literally anyone can do. This is for you if you are the kind of person who has tried meditation and really wants to get good at it, but you just seem to not be able to do it. Well, guess what? This is a perfect meditation for you. This is also good for people who have meditated before and know how to meditate and just want to try something new. It's just another meditation technique to try, so why not? So basically, the idea of meditation is that there is no goal. The idea is to accept the present moment and live in the present moment exactly the way that it is. So this technique is doing exactly that, and there is no trying, there is no needing, there is no force or pushing to enter the state of present to the momentness, but it's rather fully accepting everything that is going on within your body and outside in the environment. You definitely want to do this in a quiet environment so that there's less distractions and you can feel more in your body and notice what's going on in your mind a lot clearer. When there's less going on around you, you have more attention and space to focus within yourself. So sit down. I like to sit like this when I meditate. I can't do the full lotus position because it just doesn't work with my body somehow. But I like to sit down like this. You can sit down in whatever way that you want. You can even lie down. You can even stand up. It doesn't really matter. Okay, with this kind of technique, it really doesn't matter. Now, this technique is it's very loose and free. It's not about keeping yourself to a certain set of rules. This is a very playful and joyful experience. So all you've got to do is sit there and simply observe and be aware of everything that's going on within your body and within your mind. And simply just observe it, okay? You don't need to judge it. You don't need to try and make it any different. The idea is that you don't try and change it in any way. You simply let it go and just let it do whatever it wants. The feelings in your body, the monkey mind, just let it go. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let as many thoughts as it wants to think come up and just continue. Don't try and stop them. Don't try and change the way you feel in your body. Don't force yourself to do anything. There should be no forcing here. This is a very, you should just take it easy on yourself with this one. It's very nice and relaxing. So what I like to do is close my eyes. Sometimes I like to do it with my eyes open, but let's just start with our eyes closed. And just chill. Feel within our bodies. Feel what's going on within your body. Don't label anything. Don't label any feelings that you feel in your body. Just feel them. Just observe them as a sensation, as energy. Loosen up. Make sure you're comfortable as well. Any tensions you feel in your body, just let them be free, baby. The idea is that you aren't putting any restrictions on yourself. You're just sitting here and feeling your body, feeling your mind, feeling the world. Breathe at a pace that's comfortable to you. Don't force yourself to slow any breathing down or speed it up. Don't force yourself to breathe deeply. Just breathe what's comfortable to you, what feels good right now. Don't put any pressure on yourself at all. Just feel in your body, just feel good. Release the need to do anything. Just enjoy this moment as it is. Feel. Feel the body. Sit here for a couple minutes. Sit here for a couple minutes and just feel the body. Observe what's going on in your body. Accept it all. Resist nothing. Don't force yourself to do anything. Just feel it. Doesn't matter what kind of feeling it is. Some sort of stress, some sort of anger, depression, some sort of joy or excitement or eagerness to do something. No matter what it is, accept that feeling. Just feel it as energy. Accept it. Don't resist. Don't force yourself to do anything. And just simply enjoy the moment. Enjoy being able to feel your body for this moment. Have no worries. Drop all your worries and just be. Just be for a second. Alright, now begin to notice what's going on in your mind. What's your mind saying? What's your mind doing? Is it racing? Is it still? Does it need to slow down a little bit? Whatever it is, completely accept it. Just listen to your mind. Kind of like you're listening to music on a set of headphones. Just listen to your mind. Any thoughts that come up, accept them, notice them, appreciate them, don't force them to go away, just watch them and just notice them. Alright, bring your awareness back to your body as well. What's going on in your body? Feel your body. Don't lose connection with feeling your body. Don't force anything. If you can't still your mind just yet, that's completely fine. Nothing to worry about. Accept it all. Feel it all. Any thoughts that arise at all, anything that comes into your mind, simply let it be. No judgment, just watching, just observing, just listening. Like even now I'm having thoughts are coming into my mind. I'm just watching them, letting them be. It's quite interesting what the mind can continue to do without you even having to do anything. Can be quite entertaining at times. Alright, now open your eyes. Stay calm, stay present, stay feeling in your body, stay noticing what your mind is doing. But now with your eyes open, you're bringing this calmness into your daily life now. Because your eyes are open, you're back in the physical world, you're back in physical reality. And just simply accept everything as it is right now. Everything that you can see, hear, feel, any thoughts that are coming in still. Accept it all and offer no resistance to any of it. You don't need to still your mind. You don't need to have a silent mind and suddenly be enlightened right now. You don't need any of that. It's all good. Just enjoy the moment. Enjoy being able to feel without any resistance. And notice how good that makes you feel. Being able to accept everything. And finally stop worrying and forcing yourself to do things and resisting yourself. If you want to continue this, if you want to prolong the experience, just press pause and keep going, baby. I'm going to end the video here, end the guided meditation here. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. I hope it brought you some sort of peace, good feelings, and just know that this kind of state that a meditation like this brings you, the emotional state that it can give you, that's accessible to you at any moment in your life. You can accept everything going on in your body and in your mind and in the outside world at any point in your life. That is completely up to you and your decision. You have the power to do this at any moment. Sometimes it can be harder than others, some days, because some challenges are just a little bit more in your face and it's hard to find the peace. But the more you practice meditation, the more you practice this kind of work, the easier it becomes to embrace and accept and feel peace and acceptance in any situation that life may throw at you. So if you want to see more videos like this and you want to learn more about meditation, learn some more meditation techniques, take this meditation spiritual journey to the next level, then subscribe to the channel, because I release videos on this just like this one that we've just done now, and many other kind of topics in the spiritual nature. I release videos like that every single day, and yeah, that's if you enjoy the content. If not, that's totally fine. And click like if you liked the video. Leave a comment on how this made you feel, and leave a comment on anything else you'd like to learn about meditation, and I'll be sure to get back to you and make something that really, really pleases you. And nothing else more to be said apart from have a blessed day, spread love and positivity throughout the world, feel good within yourself, and enjoy life. Peace!
Jeden człowiek susret nasz, jego